Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V40 SE, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and secondly, make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device because you will be, thanks to it, you will be able to follow all of my steps. If you do not have your Google account, simply check our tutorial of how to add it, or you can do it on your own by entering the Play Store. Alright, so now we can enter this app, so open the Play Store and tap on the circle which is your account. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Here we've got the list of all installed apps, so let's tap on Updates Available, and in my case I've got 25 available. Of course we do not have to update all of the apps, of course you can, but you can also just choose specific apps, so I'll choose maybe Google Chrome, maybe Messages, and maybe Contacts. So just mark the options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.